Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trading People Zip. We've got an M360 scooter. This is it. I'm going to show you. This is the rear wheel, just on the back here. These this plate here just pops off. Once it pops up, that pop off, you have a nut behind here, which will take your wheel off. This is your brakes, this brake that comes through here. So I'm going to show you how it is and what it is. So you just unbolt, take that off, pop the wheel out, drop that out. That fits in there. You've got a tube inside of here. I'm going to try and show you what that is now. Okay? See you in a second. Right, this is what the wheel looks like. And this is, yeah, that's cool. That's the disc. That's the operates the brake. This is the tire. And inside the tire, you have a tube.
But wheel may be different. Maybe different size wheel is or like is wide or but it's tire all of them same. If you want to buy tire different, but if wheel is I'm not sure about the wheel. That's your scooter. I'm not sure about it. But tire I can say that's okay. But yeah, but the wheel is different. Maybe different. I'm talking about it for the when you want to connect it in the place. Okay, I give it to you.
See the difference in the width of the tires? No, actually, it doesn't look that much of a difference. Just like when it spreads out. Yeah.
How much is what?
There's a tube inside it.
Hello?
And there's your tire.
Hello?